Welcome to the flagship equation, a complete look at the Google Pixel 10a's specifications and market positioning for India in 2026. The Google Pixel 10a is expected to be available in India for 49,235 rupees. Key specs include the Tensor G4 silicon, Endurance 2mm technology, Tensor B5 optics, and a 25-hour life battery. At 49,235 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB base variant, the Pixel 10a features the Google Tensor G4 architecture, a 48-megapixels advanced dual visor, a 6.3-inch P-OLED display, and a 5,100 mAh power cell. The design features a 6.3-inch P-OLED display with 3,000 nits peak brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It measures 153.9 by 73 by 9 millimeters, weighs 183 grams, and boasts an IP68 rating in Gorilla Glass 7Y. The visual engine is a 6.3-inch P-OLED panel with 1080 by 2424 FHD plus resolution. It features 120 Hz refresh rate, 3,000 nits peak brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, all within an 85.29% screen-to-body ratio. Powering the device is the Google Tensor G4 4nm processor. It uses a 1X Cortex-X4 at 3.1 GHz for heavy lifting, 3X Cortex-A720 at 2.6 GHz for sustained output, and 4X Cortex-A520 at 1.92 GHz for efficiency. It is paired with 8GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. The Tensor G4 architecture is comprised of a single Cortex-X4 core for burst processing, a tri-core Cortex-A720 cluster for sustained performance, and a quad-core Cortex-A520 cluster for high-efficiency background tasks. The Pixel 10a offers a longevity promise with 7 years of guaranteed OS and security updates, lasting until 2033. This translates to a true cost of ownership of approximately 7,033 rupees per year. The camera system includes a 4.8MP primary sensor with a 25mm focal length and an f/1.7 aperture, and a 13-megapixels ultra-wide sensor at 22mm with an f/2.2 aperture. The front camera is 13 megapixels, and video recording supports 4K at 60 FPS. The imaging arsenal features a 48 megapixels wide primary sensor and a 13 megapixels ultra-wide secondary sensor. It supports 4K at 60 FPS video recording and includes a dual LED flash. Battery performance is robust with a 5,100 mAh Li polymer capacity. It supports 45W fast charging, achieving 20% to 100% in 1 hour and 26 minutes, and includes wireless charging. The PC Mark battery life is 13 hours and 54 minutes. In performance comparisons, the Pixel 10a scores 1,400,792 on Antutu with an 8.0s boot-up time. Gaming efficiency shows a 9.0% battery drain and 32.8% heating after 30 minutes of gaming. The Pixel 10a represents a generational leap over the 9a, offering a brighter 3,000 nit display, longer endurance, a lighter chassis at 183 grams, and a 26% increase in raw benchmarking power with the Tensor G4. In the flagship comparison, the Pixel 10a competes on shared DNA with 256GB storage and a 48-megapixels camera. It boasts competitive peak brightness and superior battery capacity compared to the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Pixel 10a presents a strong market threat with its price: 256GB base storage, 8GB RAM, high peak brightness, large 5,100 mAh battery, and capable 48 megapixels primary optics. In a direct competitor face-off, the Pixel 10a dominates with portability at 183 grams, unmatched computational photography, and 7 years of pure Android 16 updates. It is priced at 49,235 rupees. The competitor iQOO15R wins on charging speed, screen extremes with a 6.59-inch AMOLED display and 5,000 nits, and 18 hours and 23 minutes of raw battery endurance. It is priced at 44,998 rupees. The market voice overwhelmingly validates the Pixel 10a as absolute value for money, with 56% voting this way. The camera and design are key drivers, accounting for 70% of the value perception. The triumphs of the Pixel 10a include an elite 3000 nit P-OLED display, a massive 5100 mAh battery, unmatched software continuity, and a flagship-tier 48 megapixels computational camera system. Compromises include a slower charging curve relative to rivals, a modest 13 megapixels front-facing camera, and a thermal sealing resulting in a 32.8% heat jump during sustained 3D gaming.